That's a bigger one. Whoa. That thing is fighting. Wow. Did you see how quick that was? Look at this thing, Jaden. Golly. That's big for the hook set spot, boy. Oh my gosh, I caught one in there. Wow. Cool. Yeah, right in there in that little shallow water. Boom. It's like a freaking foot deep. Now I've already caught like 8 fish. They're small, but man, they're fun. And I'm catching them in weird places. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's like this little creek area and it's like an inch of water and I'm freaking catching bass out of it. I just missed another one. Oh, here's another one. Golly. Thank you. Let's see if there's another one in there. I cannot believe I caught one in there. That is so crazy. Dude, the water is like an inch. All right, here we go. We've caught some not big fish, but fun fish in this little bitty creek right here. And I'll tell you what, dude. Wow. What a way to get a kid hooked on fishing. Now watch this. Got him. Jaden! Oh my gosh! Oh! Woo! There he is. Wow! Jaden! Wow. Alright, so we're gonna let him go right here. He's gonna run off and go tell his friends, hey, there's a frog running around here. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, got one. Yep. He's small. I ain't caught one on a spinnerbait in so long. All right, looky here, guys. I mean, nothing big, but it's a bass. That'll work. Go on, little fella. First cast. Let's see if I can go 2 for 2. Oh my God. That's a bigger one. Whoa. That thing is fighting. Wow. Did you see how quick that was? Look at this thing, Jaden.
How big do you think that thing is?
Look at that thing. Woohoo! Okay. What if I catch another one on the 3rd cast?
I don't know.
You gonna switch?
I don't know.
That was a good hit. I'm gonna throw it back over there. Oh, got him right there. Right there. I saw him come up and hit it, Jaden. He come out from underneath the rock. There's another one over here that hit me before that one. You want to try to catch him real quick? Come here, throw this thing. I'm telling you, I got hit hard. About right over there in front of those 2 rocks over there. And then as I got right here, I saw him come up and grab it. Like I was looking at my spinnerbait spin, and I saw him come out of nowhere and just snag it.
Chased it?
Yeah. So just throw it down them rocks and run it down the bank. I'm pretty certain you're about to catch one. You throw it further than that.
I know that wind.
Just like what you're doing. They want this bait. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Dang. Oh. Well, you get the point.
Yeah, why do they want the spinnerbait so bad though?
I don't know, man. Oh, good spot. You're about to catch another one.
Why do they want the spinnerbait so bad?
Back to back, Jaden. What is going on here? Go. I was about to say, that's a for sure catch right there. Man, this pond is loaded. No trophy size, but man, you want to take your kids fishing and get them hooked, you bring them here. I mean, look at my son. Woo-hoo! I'm about to take that spinnerbait back, boy.